It's a real pleasure to be here in this great space to welcome guests and to do the important work that we do here at the task force.
I'm very excited about attracting like-minded organizations to this building to partner with the task force.
I think this is going to be a great setting for the task force, and I'm really excited about what this is going to mean for the future.
Thank all the donors who make this possible, the people who contributed to us being able to acquire this building.
I think the Task Force for Global Health is now the place for collaboration, and the future looks really bright.